on my soul. Voices whisper, take control. Broken kings beneath the ground, silent screams without a sound. Bound by guilt I cannot flee, past returns to punish me. Chains of the fallen drag me down. Echoes screaming without a sound. Break the weight or lose my breath. Fight the grip of living death. Dust and bones beneath my feet. Every step repeats defeat. Eyes of shadow stare me blind, feeding on my fractured mind. Locked inside this endless cell, heaven fades, I know this hell. Claws of memory tear apart every beat of this black heart. Ghosts arise from every scar, dragging me from who I are. Still I crawl against the tide, refuse to let this fear decide. Chains of the fallen drag me down. Echoes screaming without a sound. Break the weight or lose my breath. Fight the grip of living death. Feel the strain. Strike the links that hold my pain. Spark of hope begins to rise, burning through these endless lies. Metal cracks beneath my will. Silence breaks, the void stands still. Fall to the floor. I am bound to this no more. Breath returns into my chest. Facing fear I pass the test. What was lost I now reclaim from the ashes of the chain. Chains of the fallen drag me down. Echoes screaming without a sound. Break the weight or lose my breath. Fight the grip of living death. Now I stand where I once crawled. No more shackles, no more walls. Strength was hidden deep inside, buried under fear and pride. Now unleashed I claim my right. Step into the endless fight.